Today we are going to do gardening because it's also one of my hobbies. Let's start. For today's gardening we need 5 seeds. Methi or fenugreek seeds, rotten tomato cut into pieces like this. This is coriander seeds, palak or spinach seeds, and this is mustard seeds. And you also need 5 pots that 8 to 10 inches, and I have this pot for mustard seeds. You can use this as well. I have some soil in this, spray, and your old shoe if you have. First, let's take mustard seed. Then take a plastic spoon and just make space for your seeds to come. Yeah? Now take 2 spoons of mustard seeds like this. And now I'll just pour them like this. Like you only take 1 inch of soil to cover them like this. Then you can again mix them with your spoon, right? And don't take more soil as the seeds are small. For big seeds you need 1 to 2 inch of soil, and for small seeds you need ½ inch of soil. I just mix it. Now I'll just give it some water like this. I'll spray the water so the soil becomes wet. And whenever you think that the soil is really dry, you can pour some water like this. Start with rotten tomato. Do you know what is inside the pot? There is soil, fertilizer and coco-peat. I'll tell you how to arrange it. First you put some soil at the bottom, then some fertilizer, then again soil, and then coco-peat. Now you make some space for your tomatoes to fit like this, and take 2 pieces. If you take more, then it will not come. So you press them a little bit and there pour some soil on them, so they can be not seen, and they mix in the soil like this. And then I'll adjust. And now I'll give it some water. Like this. So it is done. Now let's start with fenugreek or methi seeds. Take some in your hand and then just pour it like this. Like this, how I'm doing. Now we'll hide them. Now put some soil on them like this. Don't put more, as I told you before. Small seeds small soil. Hide them fully with the soil like this. I'll take some. Now we'll spray some water. Like this. So now we'll keep it over here. Let's start with spinach seeds. I already bought them from a nursery before lockdown. Take little as spinach grow very big. Let me spread them in the pot like this. Now I'll hide them. Do not press hard and just hide them like this. Now I'll put some soil on them like this. I'll hide them nicely. And now we'll spray some water like this. So now spinach is ready. Keep them. Now let's talk about coriander seeds. To grow coriander seeds, you need to break them in two parts, like this. I'll show you how did I do. Take some coriander leaves and then rub it with your old shoe, like this. See? It happened. Now we'll take our pot and sow them. Spread and sow, like this. Now we'll put some soil on them. Like this. Now we'll spray some water. Now it's ready. So I'll keep it. To recognize my plants, I've just written their names with a marker. And this pot is bigger, so I didn't write, as I knew that it has mustard seeds. See, I've written here spinach seeds. Over here, I've written tomato seeds. Here it's fenugreek or methi seeds. And this is coriander seeds. Remember two things. Your plants should be in kept a proper sunlight. Second, water them daily or when your soil is dried up. And your plant will come in 7 days. So, see you next week. Do subscribe, like and share my channel, Arav's World. Thank you for watching.